Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make rules for Discord servers. First of all, go to the top left of the server you want to do this in, click on the name and click on server settings. Then scroll down here on the left to community and click on enable community and go and click on get started. Now to go and start a community server, which is what you need to be able to have rules on your server, you need to go and set a verification level to at least verified email and also an explicit content filter as well. I'll press next. Then what you can do is when it comes to the rules or guidelines channel, you can go choose if you already have a channel, or you can click on create one for me and you can do the same thing for community updates. I'll just have create one for me, then press next. You will see some info here, and what you need to do is make sure you follow the guidelines and then you agree to that and click on finish setup, and you have now set it up. Now in your server settings, come over to the left and go and scroll up into moderations and click on it, save setup, and scroll down to DM and spam protection and click on edit. You will then see this option here, members must accept rules before they can talk or DM. Click on setup on the right here. Now what you can do is give a brief description about what your server is about. Now we can set up our server rules, so let's click on get started and you can start adding them in, and you can go and change the order of them as well on the side. And then once you finished, you just need to go and click on save in the bottom right and make sure you switch them on in the top right of the section as well. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.